rabbit ऐसे चलो start है.
Assalamualaikum ma'am, my name is Almina Anjum. This is my favorite pet animal is rabbit. Her name is Chiku. She eats rice and milk. She is a white color. She is a very soft. She is my best friend. Thank you, ma'am.